Have you ever felt yung parang it's the end of the world? Like, wala kang masabihan, hindi mo na kaya, yung parang sasabog na yung ulo mo sa sobrang hirap ng current situation mo. Whenever tinatry mong mag-share sa iba, pero it always seems like hindi nila naiintindihan kung saan ka nanggagaling. Hindi mo ma-verbalize kung ano yung dala-dala mo. Kasi sa sobrang bigat nga, hindi mo na siya ma-explain, and no matter how you try to explain it to other people, hindi pa rin nila maintindihan. And most of the time, they try to unknowingly nadi-discourage ka nila, or parang mas nahihirapan ka pang kausapin sila instead of mailabas mo lahat ng nararamdaman mo. Kasi dahil sa responses nila. This video is not to make you feel more depressed. Kung ano man yung mga nararamdaman nyo, ilabas nyo yan. Ako, whenever hindi ako okay, nire-record ko yung boses ko. Sinasabi ko doon lahat kasi nakakapagod mag-type, nakakapagod magsulat, so I cannot do a journal. So kung anong way ang pwede kong magamit just to rant, just to cry, ginagawa ko. Natutunan ko rin kasi hindi na maghanap ng ibang tao. Most of the time I pray para bang kausap mo si Lord. Pero there were also time na feeling ko I'm lost, and I know hindi lang ako yung tao na nakaramdam ng ganito. So kung ano man yan, you're free to leave it here, release it, and you're gonna realize right after mo gawin yun, nung wala kang ititira, biglang gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. This is me talking about mental health, and based on my experiences as well, because just like everyone else, nagdadaan din ako sa ganun. We're not always strong, and we need to accept the fact na not all the time kaya natin. Our minds need to have a space, and in order for our minds to have a space, kailangan ma-release yung mga dapat ma-release para magkaroon ulit ng space sa mga gandang bagay. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, anong ginagawa mo, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, maniwala ka, kaya mo. Iiyak ka, sumigaw ka, kung may makakausap ka, mas maganda. Kung wala ka naman makakausap, that's okay. Accept it. Because acceptance is also one of the keys para ma-let go na natin yung mga bagay na dapat i-let go. So, yeah. I hope you're feeling better today. And good night.